Hello, everyone! Are you ready to witness the extraordinary moments of nature and the supernatural? In this compilation, we will showcase those incredible moments. Let's go! The eruption of Mount Tavurvur in Papua New Guinea, situated in the middle of the ocean, looks like a rocket launching into the sky. It spews out thick black smoke, reaching up to 18 meters high as it erupts into the ocean. Accompanied by strong tremors and explosions that echo through the sky.
That is something again.
If the volcanic eruption didn't scare you, next is the moment when John's family witnessed a severe storm from the sky, accompanied by lightning striking just about 10 meters away. Following that is a powerful storm with wind speeds reaching level 12 in New Jersey, causing citywide flooding and trapping a train on the tracks. Here's a beautiful natural moment. Fish swimming upstream, appearing right on the highway. Is this some sort of fish competition? I guess it's due to the heavy rain from the storm, increasing the water levels. Pretty funny, isn't it? A reminder that you shouldn't stand outside during the rain. Lightning struck, startling the cameraman. Oh my God! A sudden tornado appeared at Jack's house in Louisiana, and its massive scale left the locals completely surprised. The people at this festival were so calm, thinking there would be no storm, until tornadoes began forming, sweeping away all their tents and belongings, leaving them bewildered and unsure of what had just happened. The people at this festival were so calm, thinking there would be no storm, until tornadoes began forming, sweeping away all their tents and belongings, leaving them bewildered and unsure of what had just happened. As you know, disasters spare no one. Within seconds, water and debris from the flood swept through, clearing everything in their way. I really want to go skiing next season, but after watching this video, I'm reconsidering. The freezing weather and strong winds during a snowstorm gave me chills. It looks like a wine glass, but it's just a small part of what's happening outside Bella's house. If you open that door, the water outside will rush in at any moment. Oh my God! After that devastating flood, water is the most powerful force. It easily collapsed a massive bridge in southern India, immediately submerging the area. Fully embracing the fury of a volcanic eruption, as the volcano spews columns of fire and smoke into the sky, it looks terrifying. But there's something really cool about it. Perhaps it's time for a change of atmosphere after all the floods and volcanic eruptions. Next, we have a cool atmosphere to counter the heat from the volcanoes. Oh, you're filming! I think it's pretty crazy that they're not scared, but I want the cameraman to get a little closer so we can better see this spectacular moment. These people are so lucky to witness a desert cliff turning into a waterfall during a massive landslide. It still looks stunning on video. major storm in Utah, truly bizarre and hard to believe. A storm formed from tumbleweeds, filling the entire neighborhood. Who would have thought they could gather in such large numbers to create a storm? Are you curious about what's happening to her hair? Her hair is standing on end due to a magnetic field. There's a simple explanation. When we observe an environment with a strong electromagnetic field, it could also be a sign of an impending major storm. I think the upcoming storm might extinguish this flowing lava. Otherwise, everything will evaporate. Oh, winter thunderstorms are beautiful. Perhaps they're even more beautiful than summer thunderstorms, but they're full of hidden dangers. Let's watch this spectacular moment of OFO. Is this some kind of stress relief play area? A landslide in China was accidentally captured by locals. Watching it makes me worried for the person filming. A snowstorm occurred in 1998 in California, and just after one night, snow covered all the roads in white. What do you think about waking up after just one night to find the streets blanketed in nothing but white snow? In some places, the snow was nearly 80 centimeters thick. What do you think about the video? Please leave your comments below. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications to get the latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.